Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Ajibo. 皆さんこんばんは、Ajibo です。Ajibo's cooking this evening is fried shirataki with canned mackerel, Chinese cabbage and an egg. 今晩のAjiboのおかずは白滝と白菜とサバの水煮の炒め物です。Ingredients: canned mackerel 190 gram, Chinese cabbage 白菜270 gram, a pack of shirataki 350 gram, an egg. Seasonings: sesame oil tablespoon 1, soy sauce tablespoon 2, chili oil properly, chili powder properly, ginger paste properly. 具材はサバの水煮 190g、 白菜が 270g、 白滝 350g、 卵1個。調味料はごま油テーブルスプーン1、ソイソース醤油テーブルスプーン2からラー油適量、七味唐辛子適量、生生姜適量以上で作ります。 Let's start cooking. Turn on heat a pan. Add sesame oil, tablespoon 1. Add Hakusai, Chinese cabbage. Fry it for about 3 minutes. Add shirataki, add soy sauce tablespoon 2. bonito juice stock tablespoon 1. Cooking sake tablespoon 1. I forget to show you bonito juice stock and cooking sake. Mix them. And fry them for about 5 minutes. Add canned mackerel, 190 grams. And ginger paste on the mackerel. Mix them and boil them for about 10 minutes until the moisture will disappear. Add chili oil properly. And chili powder also properly if you like it. Boil them until moisture disappears. How about the taste? Need a little bit soy sauce. Boil them for about 5 minutes. Almost done. Oh, I forgot beaten egg. beaten egg, Ajibo's cooking this evening has been done. This is fried shirataki with canned mackerel and Chinese cabbage. Main dish, boiled rice as usual, and soup is instant miso soup. Waiting for hot water. Pour hot water. That's it. It's time to enjoy them. Bon appetit. いただきます。